Have you noticed your energy dropping after 60? Your muscles weaker? Your memory slower? What if one of the biggest reasons is hiding on your dinner plate? And what if the fish you believe is healthy is actually damaging your heart, inflaming your arteries, and silently destroying your brain and nerves? Here's the shocking truth. Not all fish are healthy foods. Some fish are loaded with mercury, dangerous chemicals, inflammatory fats, and toxins that can weaken circulation, raise inflammation, and speed up aging inside your cells. And after 60, your body becomes more vulnerable. Your organs don't cleanse toxins as efficiently. Your blood vessels become more sensitive. Your circulation slows down, and one wrong food habit repeated every week can slowly damage your health. Doctors and science are now warning seniors about certain popular fish that may increase inflammation, stress the brain, and even affect memory and heart function. But here's the good news. Other fish can do the exact opposite. They can activate circulation, protect your arteries, feed your brain, support muscles, reduce inflammation, and help seniors feel stronger, sharper, and more energetic naturally. Today you'll discover the 4 popular fish seniors should avoid after 60, and the 4 powerful fish many doctors recommend eating weekly for strength, vitality, and healthier aging. Some of these warnings may surprise you, because one of the most dangerous fish is eaten by millions of people every day, and another cheap fish could actually be one of the best foods for your heart and brain. So stay until the end, because mistake number 4 could be silently draining your energy right now, and the healthier replacements may completely change how you age. Let's begin. Tilapia, the healthy fish that may increase inflammation. Tilapia is everywhere. Restaurants, frozen dinners, fast food, cheap fish sandwiches. Many people think it's a healthy choice because it's low in fat. But here's the warning. Not all fat is bad. Your body needs healthy omega-3 fats for the heart, brain, circulation, and joints. The problem with many farm tilapia products is this: they often contain far more inflammatory omega-6 fats than protective omega-3 fats. And too much inflammation inside the body can damage arteries, stress the heart, and increase aging in cells. Science shows chronic inflammation is connected to many problems seniors fear most: poor circulation, joint pain, memory decline, fatigue, and weak muscles. Another concern? Some low-quality farm fish are raised in crowded conditions and fed unnatural diets. That may affect the nutritional quality of the fish. Does this mean tilapia is poison? Number. But after 60, your body needs foods that repair and protect, not foods that may increase inflammation. So what should seniors eat instead? Doctors often recommend fatty fish rich in omega-3s. And one of the best is 1. Salmon. The heart and brain protector salmon is one of nature's most powerful anti-aging foods. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support circulation, reduce inflammation, and nourish the brain. Think about what happens as we age. Arteries become stiffer, blood flow decreases, the brain receives less oxygen, energy drops. But omega-3s help support healthier circulation and may help protect the heart and brain. Many doctors love salmon because it supports heart health, brain function, memory, eye health, muscle recovery, and healthier aging overall. Salmon also contains high-quality protein. That matters because seniors naturally lose muscle mass with age. Weak muscles increase the risk of falls, fatigue, and loss of independence. But protein helps repair and regenerate muscle tissue, and salmon delivers it naturally. Wild-caught salmon is often preferred when possible. But even canned salmon can be a powerful and affordable option. Just watch sodium levels if you have high GH blood pressure. Imagine feeding your cells something that helps reduce inflammation instead of increasing it. That's the difference. 2. Shark, the mercury danger. Now let's talk about one of the most dangerous fish for seniors: shark. Most people don't eat it often, but in some places it's considered a delicacy. Here's the problem. Large predatory fish tend to collect mercury over time, and shark is one of the highest. Why is mercury dangerous? Because mercury can affect the brain and nervous system, especially in older adults. Too much exposure may impact memory, focus, coordination, and nerve function. After 60, the body becomes less efficient at removing toxins, so repeated exposure matters more. And shark isn't the only concern. Other large fish like king mackerel and swordfish may also contain high mercury levels. This is why many doctors advise seniors to limit these fish. Your brain is precious. Your memory matters. Your nerves control everything from movement to balance. Why overload your system with toxins when healthier choices exist? And speaking of healthier choices, the next fish may shock you because it's small, cheap, and incredibly powerful. Sardines, the tiny fish with huge benefits. Sardines may not look glamorous, but these tiny fish are nutritional gold for seniors. They are packed with omega-3 fats, protein, vitamin D, calcium, and minerals that support bones, muscles, and circulation. And because sardines are small fish, they contain far less mercury than large predatory fish. That's a huge advantage. Doctors often recommend sardines because they support HEART rhythm, brain function, bone strength, energy production, and healthy inflammation levels. Many seniors are low in vitamin D, and low vitamin D may affect muscles, immunity, and vitality. Sardines help naturally. Another hidden benefit? They're soft and easy to eat. Even the tiny bones contain calcium that supports aging bones. Your body after 60 needs nutrients, not empty calories. And sardines deliver powerful nutrition in a simple, affordable food. 3. Farmed Atlantic salmon from low-quality sources. Wait, didn't we just praise salmon? Yes. But quality matters. Some low-quality farmed salmon may contain higher levels of contaminants and unhealthy fats compared to better sources. This doesn't mean all farmed salmon is bad, but seniors should pay attention to quality. Fish raised in overcrowded conditions and fed unnatural diets may not provide the same health benefits. Some products may also contain artificial coloring or excessive additives. Always read labels carefully. Look for trusted sources. Wild-caught options are often preferred when available. The goal is simple. Feed your body foods that protect your heart and brain instead of stressing them. Remember, not all food marketed as healthy truly supports vitality. And now let's move to one of the best doctor-approved fish for aging adults. 3. Trout. The clean energy fish trout is one of the most underrated foods for seniors. It's rich in protein, omega-3s, and nutrients that support circulation and energy. Many people over 60 complain about constant fatigue, but often the body simply isn't getting the nutrients needed for healthy oxygen delivery and muscle function. Trout supports healthy blood circulation, brain function, muscle maintenance, heart health, and natural energy production. It's also easier to digest than many heavy meats. That's important because digestion changes with aging. Your body wants nourishment without overload, and trout gives powerful nutrition without excessive heaviness. Simple foods can create powerful changes. 4. Fried fish, the hidden destroyer. This may be the biggest mistake of all. Not the fish itself, but how it's cooked. Deep-fried fish can turn a healthy food into an inflammation bomb. Why? Because frying often adds unhealthy oils, excess calories, oxidized fats, sodium. That combination can stress the heart, damage arteries, and increase inflammation. Think about it. You take a food meant to protect circulation, then drown it in unhealthy oil. That defeats the purpose. Many fast food fish meals also contain processed breading and hidden sugars. And too much sugar and unhealthy fat may worsen insulin resistance and inflammation. Your heart after 60 needs protection. Your blood vessels need support. Your brain needs oxygen-rich circulation, not greasy inflammation. So what's the better choice? Baked, grilled, steamed, lightly seasoned. Simple preparation protects the nutrients instead of destroying them. And now for the final doctor-approved fish seniors should eat weekly. 4. Mackerel, the circulation booster. Mackerel is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that support circulation, heart health, and brain function. But choose smaller varieties when possible. Smaller mackerel generally contain less mercury. This fish helps support healthy arteries, blood flow, energy, brain performance, and reduced inflammation. Omega-3 fats are incredibly important for aging adults because they help keep cell membranes healthier and support communication between nerves and the brain. That matters for memory, movement, and vitality. Many seniors focus only on calories, but the real secret is nutrition. Your body is constantly rebuilding cells, repairing tissue, supporting circulation, producing energy, and every bite of food either helps or hurts that process. Food is information for your body. Choose wisely. So what should seniors do starting today? Here are simple doctor-inspired habits. Number 1. Eat fish 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency matters more than perfection. Number 2. Choose low mercury fish whenever possible. Smaller fish are often safer. Number 3. Avoid deep frying. Bake, grill, or steam instead. Number 4. Pair fish with vegetables rich in antioxidants. This helps for GHT inflammation and supports healthier circulation. Number 5. Watch sodium in canned products, especially if you have high blood pressure. Number 6. Focus on whole, natural foods. The body repairs better with real nutrition. And number 7. Talk to your doctor if you have kidney disease, heart conditions, or special dietary needs, because personalized advice always matters. Your body after 60 is not weak. It is responsive. Every healthy choice matters. Every meal matters. Every habit matters. You can still strengthen your heart, support your brain, protect your arteries, boost circulation, and help your body age with more energy and vitality. But it starts with awareness. The food you eat today becomes the cells of tomorrow. So stop feeding your body inflammation and damage. Start feeding it repair, strength, and protection. Because aging is not just about getting older. It's about staying strong, staying sharp, staying independent, and giving your body the support it deserves. If you learned something valuable today, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone over 60 who needs this warning. Your health is your greatest wealth. Protect it, and we'll see you in the next video.